Okay guys, welcome back all. I am in Nepal and specifically in budhnath Stupa guys, here in Nepal. Today I decide to try the Tibetan Nepalese food guys. Let me prove it for you guys. Let me prove it for you. Namaste Nepal people. Hello to Tibetan people. Today a special video for the Tibetan and all the Nepali Tibetan people here in Nepal guys. Peace from Africa, your African boy Gabs Gabi. It's my first time here in Nepal and I'm now in the budhnath Stupa guys. So I've been exploring the place. You can go and watch that video separately guys. Like I learned a lot about the Buddhism and Tibetan culture, religion and belief guys. So today we're gonna try also one of their dish or one of their food outside here by the name Shapale guys. They call it Shapale. So just have a look of it. This is Shapale guys. They also provide chutney here which looks similar to the acha. They call it acha. They call it acha guys because I came from India. Everything like this we call it chutney. Okay, anyway, let me just show you and can't wait to give the bite guys. So just have a view of what is inside here. So here they call it inside is buffalo meat cooked with onion, and there is little of green, is it a green leaf or what, I don't know, but something looking green inside here. So anyway, let's have the first bite of Shapale and I can't wait to give you the review. Let's go. Shapale, Shapale, ça va bien. In French we say ça va bien, Shapale. Yes, let's just have it. I have to dip it properly because I need it to be juicy. Have it fast. Oh, thanks, you're full? Okay. I'm sorry. This is for you, I can't eat it now. For you, okay? Let me finish this, then I will tell you how it tastes like. How is it really like? Wow, this is so nice guys, this is so nice. It's looking like samosa, but this is not samosa. It is so delicious guys. The puff inside is well cooked, and what make it more tastier, like the way they cook this one guys, made it more crunchy. It's not that dry, but it's just so nice eating it with it. I feel like I am eating my home bread, because like in my country we used to make things like that, like a bread, but it used to be little soft, and then we eat with the curry, and this which made it so special and so unique. And this is so nice guys, it's so tasty, and this is like my second to third Tibetan food trying guys. So I tried the big Momo of the Tibetan people and Shapale and laughing and the keema noodles also guys. So among all these four variety of food guys, the best and the one I love, I don't know Is there more? I think there are more, right? This is not like the local one. This is local one. So far I did not cover all the food, but those are the Tibetan most love it or maybe consume food, guys. So among these 4 food, the keema noodles, laughing, and big momo, and this one is Shapale. I love Shapale, guys. Shapale is my favorite, and the big momo. Go and watch the video for the big momo separately. It's so nice, guys. And among all, big momo come first for me. Maybe because of this restaurant made it so unique, but this is more quality. This is more special, more than momo. Okay. But anyway, this restaurant just made the momo more special and amazing and tastier, and I love this. So my 2 favorite Tibetan food is Shapale and the big momo. Wow. Let me just finish it. Let me prove it for you, guys. Let me prove it for you. This is so nice, guys. I'm not done. Don't worry, I'm not done. I'm not done. I actually, this is so tasty. It finished, so I want to ask them to bring more so that I will finish this. Without this, it is not what? It's not juicy. So let me call them to bring more. That's it, guys. It's nice. I love it, guys. Love from Africa. Thank you. Do check out other vlogs of mine in Nepal, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Peace out.